Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. The purpose of this video is only for showing technical aspects and techniques. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 44,435 level on January 1, 2021. The weekly closing is slightly above the projected weekly pivot level of 44,019 level. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 47,089 and 42,547 respectively. Technically, the index may test the overhead resistance. The PRL closed at 23.43 level on January 1, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 22.35. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 25.55 and 22.24 respectively. Technically, the stock is likely to test the resistance level, but respect of the support is an important prerequisite. The TRG had closed at 89.55 level on January 1, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 85.94. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 104.69 and 85.08 respectively. Technically, the stock may test the overhead resistance, if it respects the support. The Unity Foods has closed at 31.53 level on January 1, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 30.50. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 33.30 and 29.05 respectively. Technically, the stock may test the overhead resistance. The K Electric has closed at 3.92 level on January 1, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 3.93. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 4.18 and 3.61 respectively. Technically, it is trading within a triangle. The Maple Leaf Cement closed at 44.34 level on January 1, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 44.38. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 47.00 and 42.80 respectively. Technically, the stock is in sideways mode. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.